Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. I'm Jami Gordon. I help people with selling and buying houses in the Cedar Rapids and Iowa City areas. And I'm here with April Holden from
Hi.
Residential Mortgage Network. Today we're going to talk about some great loan options, and this is really important for not only home sellers but also home buyers. And when I say it's important for home sellers, I mean that when you go to sell your house, it's really good to know what different products are available so that it can possibly provide somebody with an opportunity to purchase your home. So Residential Mortgage Network is in the corridor, and I'm going to let you hear more about this amazing company from April. So April, tell us a little bit about the company and a little bit about your background.
So my company is locally owned by the same owner that started it back in 1987. So we've been around quite a long time, and we're just a mortgage bank. We don't do anything but mortgages, and we're not a broker. We actually close in our own name with our own funds and underwrite those files right at our office.
Oh, excellent. And tell me a little bit about some of the programs that are available through Residential Mortgage Network.
So we have quite a few programs available in Iowa. We can only lend in the state of Iowa. And rural development, I think, is one that we wanted to definitely hit on as a no down payment option. So rural areas, so not in Cedar Rapids and Iowa City, but all the surrounding communities in Iowa. There's cities in all 99 counties that can use rural development financing, which is 100% financing, so no down payment requirement, and typically a little bit lower interest rate than conventional. And that's not a first-time homebuyer program. You can do it again and again, but it does have to be for a purchase. And then we've got the VA loan. So veterans that qualify with 6 years of service in the National Guard or whatever, or active duty service, can qualify for the VA loan. Again, a little bit lower interest rate than conventional. No monthly mortgage insurance with 100% financing. So a really great loan product there. We also do conventional, and we even offer a conventional 97 product that's only 3% down on a conventional loan.
Incredible.
Yeah, I didn't realize that not other lenders, there's not a lot of people that are offering that program. So 3% down conventional, and then FHA, of course, too. So that's only 3.5% down payment. So all those products are offered right at our office. We underwrite them in-house, so just right down the hall. It doesn't have to go out anywhere else. And we can kind of keep the control over the file, and really we know the programs really well, so that we can really help our buyers to get closed quickly, help our realtor partners to get closed quickly and smoothly with all those programs.
That's excellent. And the thing that I really enjoy about Residential Mortgage Network is that they're very, very efficient and very personal to work with. So when I say efficient, like some of their close times are like 3 to 4 weeks, and that's just incredible, because a lot of other banks are at like 6 to 8 weeks for closing. So if somebody's in a hurry to get into something, it's usually not a problem at all.
Yeah.
And with the underwriting in-house, we've had things come back that need to be addressed for underwriting, and it's just such a quick turnaround that again, not other places are able to provide that because they have to outsource.
We don't have to wait for somebody in Des Moines or Minneapolis or whatever else to get back to us on a file. We can just go and say, hey, this is what's going on. What do you think? And they tell us right away. Yes. So it makes it a lot smoother for everyone and a lot more stress-free, because you're not like freaking out waiting for an answer for something.
Very good. And one of the main reasons that we're meeting today is actually they have this incredible product that they offer, and I've had the opportunity to work with April with a client this last year to be able to take advantage of this program, and it is specifically for first-time home buyers. So April, tell us about this program.
So it's a mortgage credit certificate, or MCC as we've been calling it. It's a tax credit program. So the first-time homebuyer can take 50% of the mortgage interest they pay each year for the life of the loan. So years and years.
Huge.
Tax credit on their federal income tax return up to $2,000 a year. So it's just a super lucrative program, and a lot of first-time homebuyers are missing out on that because they're working with a lender that's not offering it. And I just feel like if you're working with someone, to ask them, has your lender offered you this? Or if you're a buyer, making sure that you just get all of the options that are out there before deciding who you're going to work with, because it's just leaving money on the table, which just, I hate to see people do that. And once you've gotten closed, it's too late. You can't go back and get it later.
Yes, very good. So tell me one other thing about this program. Are there certain qualifications?
There are income limits, but the income limits in our area are really high. way.
Okay.
1 to 2 person. We only have to look at the income of the person that's on the loan. So if it's a boyfriend, girlfriend, and only one of them's buying the house, and you'd just be amazed. It's like in the it's like, I think it's 93,000 in Lynn County. So it's not like a low income program. It's a very good income program. And of course, now that we're live, I can't think of the exact number. So I will definitely get that information to you, and we can put it in the comments of Lynn and Johnson County. And every county is a little bit different, but they're all really reasonable income limits. So they say limit, but and then if you have kids, it goes up to a higher limit.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, I think it's like 102 if you have 3 plus in your family.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And then like it would definitely differ for people that are self-employed. So keep that in mind if if your sales are high, but you don't take as much on income, so they probably look at your tax.
You look at your tax returns to figure out what your income is for that steady, stable, ongoing.
Okay, very good. All right. Well, I hope you've learned a thing or two about this incredible program and some of the things that Residential Mortgage Network offers. So thank you for joining today. Please feel free to reach out to April or myself if you have any questions. No strings attached at all. We hope you all have a blessed day. Take care.
Thank you. Call us for more info.
Bye.